We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you a phrase called 等一下, which could mean later or wait a minute.
等一下，
等一下, okay, that's later or wait a minute. How about let's put you in a situation where you try to reserve or book a restaurant and it's full, and maybe you have to try other restaurants or other branches a little later. And 这个很有名的餐厅真的都很难订啊，
有的甚至好几个月前就要订了。
对，没错。Okay, so let's hear a situation about booking a table at a restaurant.
惨嘞，春堂主文嘅位嘢已經黏嘞，
冇卡做地位主文係冇。
我唔記得嘞。等一下來吃看那配位嘅飯店。
OK， 听起来这个人真的没有订到餐厅的位置了，对不对？忘记了，真是的。Let's break it down one by one right now. 糟糕，餐厅的定位已经满了。Oh no, the restaurant booking is full.
慘嘞，
慘嘞，
傳堂主文嘅位嘅，
全堂主文嘅位嘅，
已經黏嘞，
已經黏嘞。已經黏嘞，黏嘞是滿了嗎？
滿了。
黏 that means full 已經滿了。然後前面說全堂就是餐廳嘛，
Yes.
對不對？ That means a restaurant. So the other person replies, "Didn't you reserve this earlier?" 你沒有早點訂嗎？
冇卡做地位，
冇卡做掉誒。
主文係冇。
主文係冇，主文 that means to book or to reserve. 做掉誒 ，OK, that's 早一點。那也只能承認啦，我忘記了，I forgot. I'll try other branches a little later. 等一下來試試其他分店。
我唔記得嘞，
我唔記得咧。
等一下
等一下，
來吃看啊，
來吃看啊。
配位嘅飯店。
配位嘅分店，哇，这个等一下来试试其他的分店。分店 ，okay, that's a branch. There are a lot of vocabulary in here that is worth repeating. So let's review some of the phrases we taught you. Okay, including the restaurant, 餐廳，
傳堂，
傳堂 okay, restaurant, and then about trying, 試試，
吃看啊，
吃看啊。Try what? Other branches, right? We taught you that. 所以分店怎麼說？
飯店。
分店。Let's listen to the conversation again.
慘嘞，春堂主文嘅位嘢已經黏嘞，
冇卡做地位主文係冇。
我唔記得嘞。等一下來吃看那配位嘅飯店。
All right, 這個月呢，我們都來教大家怎麼說等一下。
等一下，
等一下 and there you have it. That is today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.